When I was a teenager, I remember hearing a reading from the Bible which left me wondering about what it meant. It was in the Gospel of Mark, where in chapter 9, verse 23, Jesus says, "If thou canst only believe, all things are possible to him that believeth." Jesus doesn't say believe in God, nor does he say believe in me. He says fairly and squarely, him that believeth. So what are we to believe in? That question remained with me for a long, long time. It was many years later that I discovered the law of attraction. This has recently gained great notoriety through a multitude of videos on YouTube, particularly those using a synthesized voice based on recordings made by Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard studied under a man called Abdullah, who informed many people of the law of attraction in the middle of the 20th century. Another person influenced by him was Dr. Joseph Murphy, famous for the book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Neville Goddard wrote many books on the same subject. Jesus later went on to say in chapter 11, verses 23 and 24, "For verily I say unto you, that whosoever shall say unto this mountain, Be thou removed, and be thou cast into the sea, and shall not doubt in his heart, but shall believe that those things which he saith shall come to pass, he shall have whatsoever he saith. Therefore I say unto you, what things soever ye desire, when ye pray, believe that ye receive them, and ye shall have them." That sounds very much like the law of attraction to me. Perhaps Jesus was passing this ancient law on to us so that we could benefit from it. I like to think so, and believe that I am blessed. Thank you for watching my video. If you would like to subscribe to my channel, I will keep you informed as I upload more videos. Also, a like would be appreciated. Come back soon.